Your coffee machine, your car, even your office desk. They're all talking to each other. But are you listening? This is the Internet of Things, or IoT. A silent revolution connecting billions of devices to the Internet, making life easier, smarter, and safer. But how does it work, and why does it matter? IoT connects everyday objects to the Internet. They gather, share, and sometimes act on data automatically. Imagine this. Your smart thermostat learns your routine and adjusts automatically. Cars update traffic conditions in real time. Wearables track your health and send updates to your doctor. In industry, IoT does even more. Tracks assets and inventory. Monitors machines to predict maintenance needs. Increases workplace safety. Provides real-time data for better decisions. IoT is everywhere. Homes, cities, transportation, healthcare, agriculture. It saves time, cuts costs, boosts productivity, and creates new services. By 2030, over 25 billion devices will be connected. Smarter homes, autonomous vehicles, AI-driven factories, smart cities. The Internet of Things is already shaping your world. The question is, how will you be part of what's next?